Hey everyone, welcome back to Cars Fuse. You're in the right place if you're an Acura TL owner or a DIY enthusiast. In today's video, we're diving into the Fusebox diagram for the Acura TL models from 2004 to 2008. This guide will help you locate, identify, and troubleshoot any electrical issues you might face with your car. And that's it for today's guide on the Acura TL 2004 to 2008 Fusebox diagram. Hopefully, this video helped you understand the fuse locations, what each fuse controls, and how to troubleshoot common electrical issues. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more Acura DIYs and car maintenance tips. Have any questions, or have you encountered fuse-related issues in your Acura TL? Drop a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.